Hey guys, today we got another brisket on the smoker. Stay tuned. All right, it's morning. We've had a brisket on the smoker all night long. Kind of shooting this out of order a little bit. So let's go back and show you what I shot last night and get you caught up. All right, another brisket on the old country using the ChefsTemp stuff. I've got two of the older generation probes in the point, and on the other side, can't really see them, I've got two of the Pro Temp 2 probes. So yeah, this is gonna be riding it for quite some time tonight, and we'll check on it in the morning. All right, let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Been in here 2 or 3 hours, I guess. So yeah, looking good so far. So our brisket cook is done. It was really good. I will say that I did this brisket fat side up. Normally I do it fat side down. And doing it fat side up, I lost a lot of the bark that's on the underside there that would be on top of the flat if we had done it fat side down. So I wasn't a huge fan of that. I really liked that part of the bark. More so than the bark that forms on the fat. But it was still really good. It was very tender. What I did was I sliced it, and then I took the middle section that was kind of a combination of flat and the point, and boy, that was coming out super tender, almost a little too tender. So I took that and I made chop out of it. My wife loves chop, so does my son and my daughter, so I made chop out of the middle section. But boy, the point, man, it was super good. You know how good the point is. I mean, my goodness, really good. But yeah, it turned out to be a really good cook, and I'm really happy with it. But next time I will be going fat side down. So anyway, that's a cook for this time, and we'll see you next week.